Hello children. My name is Mrs. DuPont, and I will be your mistress this year. I am very happy to meet you all today. Hello to all mathematics enthusiasts. Today, in this special video, we will explore the fascinating world of the summons. Whether you are a mathematics student or simply curious to learn new things, this video is for you. We are going to explore a super cool subject. It's like a game where we add numbers together to get a total. Get ready to discover everything you need to know about the summons in a clear, practical and fun way.
Wow!
Let's start by understanding the basics of the summons. Summation is a mathematical operation that consists of adding up a series of numbers to obtain a total sum. There are several methods of summation, including the direct sum, the summation by grouping, and the summation of series. In other words, the summons is like making a collection of delicious sweets. Each candy is a number, and we add them together to see how many we have in total. The more candy we add, the bigger our collection becomes. The summons is like counting all of the sweets in a jar to know how many there are. For example, if we have 3 red candies, 2 green candies and 4 yellow candies, how many sweets do we have in all? 3 plus 2 plus 4 equals 9. We have 9 sweets in total. Let's now dive into the different methods of summation. We will start with the direct sum, which simply consists of adding the numbers one by one. Then, we will discuss summation by grouping, where the numbers are grouped in pairs or sequences to facilitate the calculation. Finally, we will explore the summation of series, which involves the addition of an infinite series of numbers according to a specific model. 1. Direct addition. Imagine that you have a box of toys. You take each toy one by one and stack them to see how many you have in total. Suppose we have a toy box with 5 toys inside: a train, a doll, a balloon, a car and a teddy bear. If we add them all together, we have 5 toys in total. For the direct summons, imagine picking up shells on the beach and counting them one by one. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 equals 15. 2. Summation by grouping. It's like sorting building blocks by color. You put the red blocks together, the blue blocks together, and so on. Then, you count them to see how many there are of each color, and finally, you add them up to get the total of all the blocks. Let's imagine. For the summation by grouping, imagine sorting your toys by category: cars, dolls, plush toys, before counting them. 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus 5 equals 14. Summation of series. Imagine that you jump on trampolines. Each jump takes you a little further. The summation of the series is like adding all your jumps together to know how far you have gone. Suppose we are on a deserted island and we had to jump over the rocks to reach a hidden treasure. If we make 3 jumps to reach the first rock, then 2 jumps to reach the second rock, and finally 4 jumps to reach the third rock, we made 3 plus 2 plus 4 equals 9 jumps in total to reach the treasure. For the summation of the series, imagine jumping on cushions in your living room and counting how many jumps you have made in total. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus. To better understand the importance and application of the summation, let's explore some real-world examples. For example, we can see how the summation is used in finance to calculate compound interest, in science to analyze experimental data, or even in everyday life to calculate expenses and savings. Tips and advice to solve summation problems. Now that we have explored the different summons methods and their applications, here are some tips and advice to effectively solve summons problems. Use graphical visualizations and animations to make summation concepts easier to understand. Practice regularly with exercises and practical problems to strengthen your skills. And don't forget to stay focused and organized in your calculations to avoid mistakes. If you need help, do not hesitate to contact me by email, dupontrin203@gmail.com. That's it, we went through the basics of the summons together and explored different methods to solve the summons problems. We hope that this video was useful to you and gave you confidence in your math skills. Don't forget to practice regularly and stay curious to learn new things. If you like this video, do not hesitate to share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more exciting educational content. Thank you for joining us and see you soon for new mathematical adventures.